welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Super Simple Saturday, but it's also National Cheese Pizza Day, so you know we are going to be making some super simple pizzas today. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and super simple recipes, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, actually what I should have said is we're going to try to make super simple pizzas today. A few weeks back, I did a Reuben sandwich in the waffle maker, and I've just been dying to get out the waffle maker ever since then and see what else we can make in here. So I have some biscuits I need to use up. I have never tried this before, so we're going to cross our fingers and hope this works. Oh, I guess I need to do this part first here. I must have scared the dog off. And I'm using the jumbo flaky biscuits. So you could probably also use the buttermilk ones, but I thought I might need to pull these apart in layers. So that's what I think that's what I'm going to do anyway. So I'm going to spray my waffle maker just to be on the safe side. And then my biscuits, I think I'm going to pull apart into, this might not be as easy as I thought it was. I thought because they were like the flaky layers, it would pull apart really, really easily. And it doesn't seem to be happening so much. So let's do 2 on top and 2 on bottom. I thought I was going to be able to pull it apart into like 4 pieces. So, you know, you could probably use croissant rolls. I'm going to say probably because I haven't even tried this with the biscuits yet. So if this works though, and I do 2 biscuits on bottom and 2 on top, a full can of biscuits is going to give us 2 full pizzas, I guess. So these should be like a pizza sandwich, pizza waffle sandwich. That's what we can call it. All right, so I'm just going to put one of these in each one of those little, what do you call them? A little well there, I guess. A little bit of pizza sauce. And a little bit of cheese. I figured I better get it out of the package and get it ready because we're going to have to work quick, I think. And then I'm just going to put this back on top. We're just going to top those just like that. Almost looks like biscuits with jelly. So we're going to try to close this. There we go. Will it flip over? Barely. So we're going to let that cook until it says it's ready, and we'll see what happens. This is coming out everywhere. This is a fail. I told you guys I hope that this was going to work. I hope I didn't ruin my waffle maker. I'm going to let it go for a while. Those biscuits are just puffing up. I'm thinking it may have worked if I could have split them again, and I actually just tried a second ago. I tried to pull these apart in another, oh, this one kind of is working. But the other one I couldn't do. I'm wondering if I could get them thinner where it'd be half that size. I bet maybe it would work. I don't know. We'll try it again. This one didn't work. It is still coming out the sides, and the light doesn't say it's ready yet, but I'm thinking we should probably try to see what the heck is going on here. Hey, that don't look too bad. I will say this for it too. It smells good. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Oh my goodness. Hey, I think this worked. I'm going to get another plate. Not the way I thought it was going to work, but I think it worked. I think there's just too much in here. Look at that. I think there's just too much. I think that's the only problem here. Look though. Other than that, I think this looks like a good sandwich. Maybe. Let's try this again. Okay, so I was able to pull that apart into 4s. So I'm going to try another one. I'm thinking maybe croissant rolls also, where it's already kind of rolled out a little bit thinner. I don't know. I'm not real good at pulling these apart, I'll tell you. All right, let's try it again. Put a little sauce in here. And I'll tell you, I'm going to put maybe a couple pieces of pepperoni because I'll eat the cheese, but I'm thinking my husband and my son would really like some pepperoni in theirs. So Like, we didn't have enough room the first time. What makes me think I can go putting pepperoni in here, right? But I don't know. We'll see what happens. There we go. So I'm going to top this again with some more biscuits. Okay, let's try this one more time. All right, there's definitely more room in here. At least I didn't ruin the waffle maker, so I don't think I did. I'm going to flip it over. Sometimes I have good ideas and sometimes I have bad ideas. Not so good idea today. All right, so we'll let this one cook and see what happens. Okay, again, the light isn't on, but it's making a lot of noise, so I think I should probably check out what's going on in here. Ooh. Smelled like it was burning, but I don't know that it did. This one maybe looks a little better. I don't know. There was more room for everything to cook, I will say that. Ooh, we got gooiness coming out the sides. All right, we have a few pieces left here. Let's try some mini ones. Let's try see what happens. So we'll just do one little biscuit. One little biscuit. A little bit of sauce. 2 little pieces of pepperoni. A little bit of cheese. I need lots of cheese, actually. Lots of cheese. 2 pieces of pepperoni. Biscuit on top. Close the lid. Let's see what happens. One more round. Well, we should know what works and what doesn't by the end of this can of biscuits, I guess. Okay, time to see what this one looks like. Ooh, hey, this might be a keeper. Look at that. Little teeny tiny. He might need to cook just a little bit longer. I'm going to put him back in there, but I think that might be the trick to it. Just 2 biscuits. Mini waffle pizzas. All right, we'll let this one cook just a little bit longer. All right, this one says it's ready. Ooh, I might have overcooked this one though. But look, I think that's the way to go. Little mini ones, right? I think. No, that one might be a little dark. I'm gonna do one last one. I have enough to make one. And put all the rest of the stuff away. Lots of cheese. A couple of pieces of pepperoni. Another biscuit on top. Close the lid. And there we go. I don't know. You guys are definitely going to have to let me know in the comments what you think about this. Like I said, sometimes I have good ideas. Sometimes I have bad ones. So here was the first one we did. I don't think it turned out that bad. I just had to take the kitchen scissors and cut off all the extra around the corners. Then the next one I did, I forgot what we did here. Oh, we tried to do like the half of ones. Yeah, I got lipstick all over my fingers. Anyway, we might save that for a photograph. So let's pull one of these apart. Let's see what this one. Got some cheese in there. It's definitely not bad. It needs more sauce. But here's the great thing about making a little one like this, or even cutting them in half like I did with this one, is you can dip it in some marinara sauce or pizza sauce or whatever you like. So I don't know. I don't know if this was I think I'm going to say this was a success. I just needed to work out the kinks a little bit. So anyway, again, I don't know if it was super simple though for Super Simple Saturday, but all in all, it tastes good. So it's a success. So anyway, I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.